So hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Saishram Malayala. So this particular video is totally regarding JEE Advanced 2021. So many people are facing a lot of issues regarding the registration process of JEE Advanced. So I know today is the last date. So just now you can see here the dates in main website. So last date of registration is 21st September 11:59 p.m. and for fee payment is also 21st September 11:59 p.m. So many people are saying the money got debited from their bank account, but it is not updated in the confirmation page of JEE Advanced. So reason is same like JEE mains, so same thing is happening here. So it's due to like high traffic there, many students are trying to pay at once, so that is the reason it is taking time. So I have seen the comments that for many students the same thing happened, and within 5 to 6 hours their issue is resolved and they got the confirmation page. So now the time is almost 4 o'clock, so you have another 8 hours. So wait for at least like after fee payment, wait for 5 to 6 hours if it did not get updated yet. So once mail them. So this is the mail ID which I am displaying here. So please mail them requesting that I am so and so registration number, I paid the amount, money got debited but I didn't got confirmation page. So this is how you can mail them, so you may get some solution from there end too. And one more thing what you can do is at least wait for another 5 to 6 hours. As I already said, some students got verified after 5 to 6 hours of payment. So if you can do that, or else so after 6 hours still if that is not updated, I suggest, so it is nothing is more than our career. So don't think about the 2,800 which you already paid. So I suggest you, so don't take any risk. So try to pay another 2,800 again, because IIT KGP or NDA or JEE Advanced people are not going to take your money. So if you paid the extra amount, they will surely going to return you back. So don't worry regarding the payment. So I suggest you guys to pay once again so that it may get updated. So this time try to pay from different payment gateway than the what you already used. You can try another payment gateways if you have any other payment gateways other than SBI or something like that. So try almost all possibilities you have so that you don't miss out the exam. So because if you miss the exam, ultimately you will miss the chance of getting into IITs. So please don't take any risk. So 2,800 will not be a matter in front of your career, right? So I suggest you to pay once again if it doesn't get updated even after 5 to 6 hours. So this is one of the solution. And regarding the mail, I already said in Unacademy prices will rise for all plus subscriptions. Just see the before prices and after prices for each and every duration there. So if you want to take subscription now, do take now before the price hike. So these are all the results of JEE Mains 2021. 3 members scored 100 percentile, 14 members in between 1 to 1000 ranks, and 70 members above 99.5 percentile, and 101 members scored above 99 percentile. So Amir Singhal Air 1, he is from Unacademy, he got 100 percentile, and these are the 14 members who are between 1 to 1000 ranks in Unacademy. And this is one of the biggest scholarship test for IIT JEE aspirants. If you decided to take drop year, you can write this particular scholarship test by Unacademy Combat. So this is on 26 September 11 a.m. for 1 hour. This exam will be there. You can write from Android app only. So from rank 1 to 3, 100% scholarship. So until rank 400, you are going to get scholarships. Register now using the link in the description as well as my code CharanYT. And for this particular test, so these are all the highlights. Free registration, 4 crore plus worth scholarships, live test from Android phone, 60 minutes. So you can kickstart your preparation of IIT JEE from September 26, 11 a.m. Junoon JEE batch for droppers. This is starting from 22nd September. If you or your friends is decided to take drop year, you can join this particular batch by Unacademy. So link for this particular batch is in the description, and if you use my code CharanYT, you will get flat 10% discount. So guys, I also regularly take classes on Unacademy like strategy sessions and math sessions. So you can also watch those classes. So just click the profile link in the description and click on follow. So whenever I take a class, you will get a notification from Unacademy. So and regarding the documents, many people are saying that I don't have proper documents now. So what can I do? For EWS students, EWS certificate should be updated. So and for OBC NCL, they should upload the OBC NCL certificate. So OBC NCL and EWS certificate should be dated after April 1st of 2021. Reason is, so financial year starts from April 1st, 2021. So your income is based on the previous financial year, right? So that is why they ask you to bring the certificate after April 1st, 2021. So at present, if you don't have any of those certificates after April 1st, or if you don't have that certificate, so for now you can submit the self declaration form that so I belongs to this category only, but I don't have this one, so I'll surely submit it later during the JOSA counseling. So this is what you can do as a self declaration and upload that in place of the certificate if you don't have that. So they will accept it. And during JOSA counseling, so related to counseling, a lot of videos are going to come on my channel, and I'm sure you are going to get each and every information regarding counseling so on my channel. So stay tuned, and also do share all my videos to all your friends so that they also come to know about our channel. And so that is about this thing. And if you want to see the self declaration form, just see here. So you see here, so this is the declaration by candidate. This is the page number 16 of the PDF link which I kept in the description. Open that PDF. So page number 16 is for OBC NCL students, and page number 17 is the general EWS students. So if you don't have that certificate, in place of that you can submit these declarations as of now. So afterwards you should submit the original certificate given by MRO, I mean Mandal level revenue officer, or from the MeSeva, right? So that's it guys. If you find this is a time worthy video, please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.